Good morning, students. This is Mr. Dow. So today I'm going to be talking about what I expect to be completed. So this week's topic is the quadratic vertex form. Okay. So if you'll notice right here, I have 4 different parts. The first 3 parts are named just part 1, part 2, part 3, and the last one is named exit ticket, okay? The only ones I am taking for a grade are part 1 and the exit ticket. I still want you to complete parts 2 and 3, and I want you to know that those are not going into the grade book. Notice that these do not have due dates because I did not upload them as assignments. But the ones I did upload as assignments, the part 1 is due May 6th, exit ticket is due May 8th, okay? And so I want you guys to know that for at least the next 2 weeks, if not the rest of the year in my class, everything will be a Google form. And what I mean by that is, let's click on part 1. So I click on part 1, I see 2 people already turned it in, wow. So if I click on part 1, and I click here for the Google form, you'll notice, write your first name. So let's say mine's Zachary Dow. Section, class, period, whatever period you're in. For me, whether that be 1, 3, 4, or 6, I don't know if you guys remember, but try to. If not, just enter in 1, okay? But if we hit next, you'll see that we have a due now, okay? And notice that we have multiple problems, and they are both multiple choice, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go through the Google Forms, and I feel like they're pretty straightforward. Always top down, okay, and read the instructions. If you don't have access to like a tablet or something where you can write on this easily, I would highly recommend getting another piece of paper and a pencil so that you can kind of work this stuff out. Okay. So that being said, you are going to complete parts, let me leave this. You are going to complete parts 1 and 2 for Monday. And then I expect you guys to complete part 3 in the exit ticket for Wednesday. And I will also, when Wednesday comes, I will split these 2 off into the next day for May 6th. If you guys have any questions, you can come to my office hours from 9 to 10 every single day. On Mondays and Wednesdays, I'm also going to be there from 1 to 2. Alright, y'all. Good luck with the assignments. Again, if you have any questions, just message me or post on the Google Classroom.